Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the AMC 8 problem number 15 of 2018. So this problem gives you a diagram. It's a geometry problem, and there are two small congruent circles inside the big circle. And of course they're on the diameter of the circle, and they have a combined area of 1. And the problem just asks for you to find the area of the shaded region. So how do we do this? Well, first, we can note that the area of each of the small circles is 1/2 because they're congruent. So using our famous formula, pi r squared, and setting it equal to 1/2, we can solve for the radius of one of the circles. So doing that, we get 1 over 2 pi, and then we get 1 over the square root of 2 pi, yada yada yada. R equals the square root of 2 pi all over 2 pi. So we find that the radius of one of the circles is equal to this, but we're not done yet, of course. Now we can double that and find the radius of the big circle. And of course, later on, I'm going to explain something else because there's actually a much simpler way to do this just by looking at it intuitively. So we know that now square root of 2 pi over 2 pi is the radius of the small circle. So we multiply that by 2, and we get that is equal to square root of 2 pi over pi. So now let's apply the area of a circle. Using this, we can find the area of the big circle now. So we get square root of 2 pi over pi squared we square that, and then times pi again. So this becomes 2 pi over pi squared times pi. Cross out, this becomes pi, this is 1. And we end up, this equals to 2. So now we're basically done because the area of 2 is the area of the gigantic circle. And since the combined area of the small circles is 1, we just subtract that to get 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. And that is our answer. Now, let me explain the simpler answer. That is way simpler than this because we didn't really have to do all this work. So looking at this, let's go back to this. We see that these circles are actually 1/4 the area of the whole circle because their radiuses are 1/2 of the whole circle, which means that their area is 1/4. So combined, the area of these small circles is 1/2 the area of the big circle. So the big circle is obviously 2. And then 2 minus 1. And then we just do that math simply. So we can use similar circles, except all circles are similar, of course. But we can use some knowledge to prove certain things. And sometimes that makes problems easier to solve. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out all my other AMC 8 videos, and I have AMC 8 2017 videos which you can also watch. Thanks for watching.